If you ever wondered why your makeup always end up looking cakey and ashy, in this video I'll tell you exactly why. Welcome to episode 7 of the Makeup Masterclass for beginners, and in this video I will show you how to set your face properly to avoid looking like a cakey, ashy mess. I'm giving you tips that you will not get from your average influencer because I'm actually a makeup artist with over 7 years of experience, so I really know what I'm talking about. I'm here to give you straight up technique. I'm not here to sell you a product. I'm not here to advertise a brand. There is enough of that going on already on social media. This page is not for that. And my goal is to help you improve your makeup skills. While on social media, there are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of tutorials going around, scattered all over Instagram and TikTok. It's easy to get lost. The content is just scattered everywhere. As a beginner, you need content that you can always come back to and that makes it easy for you to learn and follow along. And that's why I started this masterclass, to create a hub for makeup beginners. This masterclass answers all your questions. If you don't know how to find the right foundation for you, there's an episode dedicated for that. If you don't know how to prep your skin properly in order for your makeup to last throughout the day and look flawless, there is a video for that. If you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, how to set your face, how to pick the right color of blush, the difference between contour and bronzer, there is a video specifically on that on my page and in this masterclass. This is free content. If you have combo oily skin, this video is for you to help you get those MUA allegations. And if you don't know what MUA allegations means, it's basically you doing your makeup so well that people ask you if you got your makeup done professionally. Now let's jump to the tutorial. That was a long intro, girl. You can talk. Me myself, I'm tired. I know this tutorial is about how to set your face properly, but before you even pick up the powder, I needed to grab a hydrating setting spray instead. You want to shake it properly. Make sure that you're not using a mattifying setting spray. The goal of this step is not to set your face. It's to melt all your creams and liquids together, and also to add a sticky layer that will grab onto the powders you will apply on top and give you a smooth, flawless, poreless finish. And this works for all skin types: dry, combo, and oily. Don't be scared because it said hydrating. Oily skins, you can also do this. You just want to spray your entire face with it. Now let it dry for 2 minutes. I don't want you to use a fan. I need you to let that liquid marinate. Give it like 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Now grab your powder, or should I say your powders, because we're not only going to use one powder. You can't just use one powder on your entire face. The logic is, after all the contouring, bronzing, blushing, highlighting, your face is not one color. Now, if you use one powder to set your entire face, you will lose all the dimension that you worked on. And that's why we don't use one powder. We use 2 powders. Loose setting powders. My personal choice is Huda. It never fails me. Whatever skin tone you have, you can find a powder or powders that will work for your face. You've got a lot of choice when it comes to colors. You need one color that is very similar to your foundation shade. I'm using Coffee Cake, and you need another color that is similar to your concealer shade. I'm using Blondie Easy Bake. I don't care what anybody says, but for me, a powder puff will always hit because it packs on a lot of products and it gives you the most flawless finish. So what you want to do, get a lot of powder, okay? And you want to saturate the powder puff with the powder. Dab the excess product. You need to remove all the creases under your eyes. If you have any leftover creases, the powder is going to set those creases and they will definitely not go anywhere. Now you want to go in with a very light pressure and set your under eyes and every area of your face where you used concealer. And if you need more powder on your puff, remember the excess we removed, you want to take from that and then set the areas of your face that you highlighted with concealer. Do you see the difference? Man, I just love this. Is my favorite step when doing my makeup, because this is when you see the most difference on your face. I just love it. Wait, I need a mirror. Oh, I'm looking. Oh, this is smooth. Oh, this. This eats. Imagine being a man and not being able to do this. Oh my god. Ciao. I'm looking good. Oh. I don't even want to set the rest of my face, but I must, because my face is oily, and so I must. Now we grab our complexion powder with a big fluffy brush. You want to saturate the powder everywhere on the brush. Remove the excess. Remove as much as possible. You want to have a thin layer of powder on this brush. Just gonna shake it. See? It's nice and even. And then you want to dab the areas of your face where you have applied foundation. So that's around my mouth, right there by my jawline. If you noticed, I didn't touch my blush area. I look good. Yo, I look a mess, but you will never know. Technically, you're done. Technically, you've done everything you need to do. But because I am a makeup artist and I'm always trying to take it to the next level, you can take this or leave it. But you want to grab a pink powder. I'm using Ube Birthday Cake by Huda Beauty. I'm going to use that to set my blush with it. Same principle, always remove the excess. Go from the middle of my eye into my blush. From the middle into the blush. Like I showed you in episode 6, this gives you that baby doll look. This is how you take it to the next level. Guys, makeup is so fun. And if I tell you what time it is, you will think that I'm not well. Right now, it looks like it's daytime, huh? It is 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. The rest of my makeup is done. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer every single one of them. This is lesson 7 of the 10-part masterclass. There are 3 more videos coming. In the next video, we'll talk about lip combo. I will give you options of lip combos that you can do and rotate in your makeup according to the style of makeup you're going for. Lesson 9 will be eyeshadow. A lot of people keep putting bronzer on their face, not because that's the look that they're going for, just because they don't know how to do anything else. Let's be real. After watching this entire masterclass, you will not need to watch any other small tiny itty bitty tutorial on Instagram or TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Share with whoever you think might benefit from this, and subscribe, because like I said, there are more videos coming your way. Listen, the days of long YouTube tutorials that we watch on Sunday on the TV and we follow along, I want to bring it back. Let's get back to long form detailed tutorials. That's why I'm here. Let's get back to a chit chat, slow paced content that's not overstimulated. Okay, that's why I'm here. Until next time, stay beautiful, because you were perfectly made and there's only one you. Bye.